My name is Gray Chang. I wrote this game, Dog Daze Deluxe, in the early 1980s. The game runs on Atari 8-bit home computers. Let's get started. This game is a sequel to the original Dog Daze game, written a couple of years earlier. In case you haven't seen the original Dog Daze demo, it's a very simple game. The two players race to claim the flashing blue hydrant. Claimed hydrant changes to your color. If you run into a claimed hydrant belonging to your opponent, like the yellow dog is about to do, the dog gets stuck for 2 seconds. The scoreboard at the top keeps track of how many hydrants you've claimed. You can claim the blue hydrant either by running through it like the blue dog is doing right now, or by shooting your bone at it like the yellow dog just did. What's different about what's improved in the new deluxe version? Well, you can see there a more detailed, smoother graphics. Well, not smoother, about the same graphics. There's this night scene and the background with the road on it. The gameplay is basically the same, except for one major difference besides these minor improvements. And there's a one-player version. I'm controlling the yellow dog and the computer is controlling the red dog. So you don't need a partner to play. You can play anytime. Now the computer dog plays pretty well. So there's a handicap option if the computer dog is too strong. I'll demonstrate that. At the start of the game, if you press the handicap option, you can put down a bunch of hydrants of your color to start. That'll make it harder for your opponent. Okay, now I'll press the start key. And now the red dog has all these barriers for him. He'll get stuck if he tries to. Boy, he's still good, isn't he? The other thing is that he runs slower on the grass. So if we're having a race, I can beat him. Well, he's creaming me so far. Okay, the other thing you can do is, if you're getting too far behind, let's say I'm the yellow dog and I'm losing, so I can switch sides. I just drop my yellow dog joystick and pick up the red dog joystick. Now I'm controlling the red dog and the computer's controlling the yellow dog. The moon at the top shows who has set the handicap. So there you have it, Dog Daze Deluxe for Atari Home Computers. You can download this game and play it on your PC. The Atari computer emulator is free and the game itself is free. Hope you enjoyed the demo.